Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve an equation. Okay, so we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, etc. plus n equals 153. Okay, so for example, if we take n equals 5, so 5 plus 4 equals 9, plus 3 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14, plus 1 equals 15. Okay. So now let's get started to calculate the sum and solve the equation. So first let's write the sum backwards. Here. So each term, if you add each term, you will start to see a pattern. Okay. So each term equals, and you have n term. Okay, 1, 2 until n. So if you write the sum s, so you have 2 multiplied by s, it will be equal to n plus 1 multiplied by the number of terms, it's n. Okay. So basically what you have to do is to add those two lines. Okay. So 1 plus 2 plus n, you add it to itself. Okay. So the sum is s. So if you add the 2, you have 2 multiplied by s, and it is equal to n plus 1 because each term is equal to n plus 1, and you have n terms. So it's n plus 1 multiplied by n. Okay. So we have then s equals to n plus 1 multiplied by n divided by 2. Okay. That's what the sum is. Okay. So now you can come back to the equation. So we have a sum equal to, remember, the sum equals to 153. So 153. Okay. So now let's isolate the n plus 1. Okay, so n multiplied by n plus 1 equals 2 times 153 equals 306. 306. So we could develop here and have a second degree equation, but I am going to show you another way to solve the equation. Okay, so here we have n multiplied by n plus 1. So as you see, it is 2 consecutive whole numbers. Okay, so we can say that n plus 1 is superior to n squared, obviously, okay, because n plus 1 is superior to n. And we can say that n plus 1 is inferior to n plus 1 square. Alright, so the goal is to find the two consecutive number n and n plus 1 such that n square is inferior to 306 and n plus 1 square is superior to 306. Okay, so let's try some square of whole numbers. Let's take 16, so it's still inferior to 306. So let's try another one. Let's try 17 then. So it's still inferior to 306, but still we are closer. So let's take 18 now. Okay, so now we have our whole number. So we can say that we can rewrite okay, so now we have n equals, so let's check if 306 equals n plus 1. Okay, so n is our answer.